Hi everyone, my name is Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I have another Coach unboxing. It's still from my birthday gifts to myself from last month, so let's just get into it. I got Coachtopia. I guess you figured out by now in this video, I love pink. This purse I got online and I'm told that it's a limited edition and it's sold out, which I didn't know when I ordered it in January. I actually just really liked it. So first of all, I think the box is so cool. You know, it's so different, right? It's even got the tissue paper. It's got the little clouds on it. So yeah, so there's the box. We'll get that off to the side there. Okay, here it is, Coachtopia, and it says at the back, "Welcome to Coachtopia, a world in progress. Join us on the road to circularity." Okay. There she is. Is she not adorable? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love her. Oh, like I said, I am actually really impressed with Coach lately. So first impressions, the packing, it was packed very well. Isn't she adorable? I mean, I just love this cherry print. And this bag is called the Ergo Bag with cherry print. And it is made with recycled leather. It says on their website. I'm just looking at their website right now, so I give you the correct information. She is quite a tiny bag, but I mean, just look at that. She's got two little tags. One here, this pink one that says Coach, and then this tag here. It is made from recyclable plastic, I believe. So yeah, very nice. First impressions, I think I already said that, but I'm saying it again. Very light. The handle is really nice. Let me get the stuffing out here. She's got that little Coach story that they have in all their purses. The leather tag on the inside. Goodness. That's one thing I'll say about Coach is they know how to pack. They know how to pack their purses. So no inside zipper, just a little card slot, I would assume. But yeah, I really like her. And does she fit on my shoulder bag? Oh, maybe not with this top. This top is poofy, so maybe not. But definitely a handbag. So the measurements are, let's see, I'm going to go, so at the base, I'd say about 9.5 inches flat. And she's about 6 inches tall. And then base is 3 inches. So what a cute, adorable little bag. So yeah, like I said, I did not know this was a limited edition. I really like the cherry part. I definitely think this will be a spring and summer bag for me. And you can feel the cherries. They are like embossed. So it's not like they're just like a printed canvas. You can actually feel them. They are definitely embossed in there. And then it just has a little clip to actually close it. Top there. Maybe that's a better view. So, yes, a very cute bag. I really like her. Let's do some mod shots right now. Today's outfit of the day is a very old skirt, at least 30 years old, from a Canadian designer called Joseph Ribkoff. And this blouse I bought at the Bay last summer, and from their brand, I believe it's called Hudson North. So I got this in white, this hot pink, and a lighter pink. And I really love this. I just love it how it has a little peplum bottom here. And then the heels are my Cali heels that I opened a couple videos ago. And they're actually really comfortable now that I've worn them for a little bit. So I really, really do like these heels. I'm actually really surprised. They are leather, and yes, they are comfortable. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. I really love Coachtopia. I think everything about it is just adorable, fun, and me, I don't carry much in my purse anymore. Keys, card case, coin purse, because I actually still use coins. That's about it. So for me, it's perfect. Like I said, yeah, she can't fit on my shoulder with this bag, but with this bag, with this blouse. But yeah, there she is. So she's definitely going to be in the crook of my arm. Carry her like that, or obviously handheld. So yeah, I really like her. I hope you like this video, and if you would like to comment and subscribe, that would be awesome. And if you have any questions, also let me know in the comments. And if you would like to see, I think this is the last of my, I bought 3 Coach purses for my birthday, and this was the last one, I believe. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is the last one. But if you would like to see a vintage Coach video, let me know in the comments below, because like I said, I've been collecting for 20 plus years. So yeah, if you like to see that, let me know. Oh, also I am wearing my Cali heels. I've just been loving these. You've seen this in the last video. These strappy heels, they are going to be perfect for spring and summer. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.